Hey everybody, and welcome to day number 44 of the New England farmhouse renovation. So a lot has happened in the 4 days since I last posted. The biggest one is my GoPro has come back. It was just needed to be serviced, and actually it was under warranty, so it sent me a brand new one. And you're probably going to see a lot more videos from me now. This is the GoPro Hero 5 Session. It's waterproof, it's compact, it's dust proof. It's just a lot easier to walk around the job site. I don't have to worry about my camera, or my phone rather, on the end of a selfie stick just bouncing off things. So you can look forward to that. The other thing that has happened was we had a lot of work to do in the living room to kind of really pull out a 140-year-old sack. And we didn't pull it out, we ended up reinforcing it from underneath with some lally columns. And then the smile face that was in there after 140 years of gravity taking its toll, that all had to be ribbed out, as you can see in these photos here. So that was a full day, and I did that on the weekend because I knew that was going to take all of my time and my focus. And then the other thing is that all our boards came in. So this is from Robinson Lumber, which is up in Hardwick, Massachusetts. And so these are 3/4 by 12-inch heart of pine, northeastern white pine. So these are some great barn boards. They practically match the original boards that were in here. And to top that all off, not only we're using a very similar board, but we're also using those cut nails which were used. So we're going to keep that very farmhouse-like look, which is what we're going for. So let's take a look at what we have done. So the living room is almost completely done. We only got a small corner over there in order to do it. And so the floorboard's gone down. This is going to get finished up tonight, and then tomorrow it's going to be stained. And so Liz has got the stain treatments, which you can kind of see samples over here. So we run through a whole bunch of samples. We want to make sure that the stain is going on the same way. And so we've got a bunch of boards like this, and some of them have been distressed before the stain, some have been distressed after, some of them have different treatment. And so we are going to distress the wood. And so that's going to be a process which I'll show you guys. It's a little bit like flogging. I got a chain on the end of a drill, and then we just take it over here. And then it's going to be treated, and then it's going to be sealed. So we'll walk you through that whole process on how to really do that. This is pine, so it is a soft wood, and a lot of people have expressed, you know, I wouldn't say some concerns, but they've had questions about how it holds up. And it doesn't hold up, of course, as well as your harder woods do, but we're going for a very specific look here. And my days of wearing stiletto heels are far behind me, so I'm not worried about it. We have dogs, and we have people coming and going, and so the wood is going to get distressed, but that's part of the whole look of this farmhouse, and that's what we're going for. So we're not going to mind it, and you're going to be able to see kind of a whole transition, particularly with all the cut nails in here. You know, we purposely have put cuts and breaks in it just to try to make it look as authentic as possible. So I think it's coming out great, and that's done. So once that gets done and started, Liz, like I mentioned, she's going to go in there and she's going to do a 2-part treatment, very similar treatment that we did in the kitchen, though that was a different type of pine. So we've got to have a little bit of a different look, but it's still going to have those gray tones in it, which are going to match our entire color motif we have going on here. So 44 days, 6 days left, and we got a lot going on. Next week, we are planning on putting the stairs in, and of course the stairs can't go in until we've got all of our floor done here. The appliances have to go back into the kitchen, and tomorrow is our 7-day cure on the kitchen. So we put some paper down there. You know, we didn't want to run any rocks in there or anything like that while it was curing, because it's not really fully hardened until that top coat is cured. So always read the directions on the cans whenever you're doing a floor to make sure that you're not putting stuff on too early, because all that work, and then just to have it scratch up because you know, you jumped the gun and you got in there too quick, that's a little frustrating to say the least. So that's where we're at. We're going to continue this on tomorrow. Then you're going to see what this whole room looks like Once it's stained, all the mop boards and the baseboards for the heater, those are going to go in really quick because as we saw, they've all been painted and they're up in the attic just waiting. The doors will go back on the cabinets, and then this room is 100% done. No, I lied. Then we just have to do some trim and molding around the windows. So that's all going to happen probably around the same time, so that we can get ready for the stairs. And then once the stairs are in, then we can get to the second floor, and we've only got 6 days left. So no pressure whatsoever. Thanks for checking in. Check back tomorrow or the next video that I put out just to see the progress, and I think you're gonna love what that floor looks like once it's all said and done. So I'll definitely post that. So thanks for checking it out. You got any questions about the floor, please ask. It's kind of a unique floor. Used to see it a lot, but you don't see it so much nowadays. And so a lot of people have been asking questions. I don't mind that a lot. Just shows me that there's an interest. So thanks for asking questions. I really hope that you do jump over to YouTube and you subscribe to my channel, because I can't stress how important that is, just to kind of keep things going and give me the resources I need in order to keep posting these videos. So we'll see you all tomorrow.